Is your Snapchat chat list getting a bit cluttered with pinned conversations? This video will guide you through the simple process of unpinning someone on Snapchat, allowing you to declutter your chat list and prioritize new conversations. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Let's see how you can unpin someone on Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Tap on the chat icon from the bottom. Find the chat you want to unpin. It will be at the top of your chat list with a pushpin icon next to it. Press and hold on to the chat you want to unpin. A pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up menu, select Chat and Notification Settings. Then, choose Unpin Conversation. The pushpin icon will disappear, indicating the chat is no longer pinned and will move down in your chat list based on the most recent activity. You can unpin multiple chats by repeating these steps for each conversation you want to remove from the top of your chat list. If you accidentally unpin someone, simply follow the pinning steps mentioned earlier to pin them back to the top. Use pinning and unpinning to dynamically manage your chat list and prioritize conversations based on your current needs. With these easy steps, you can declutter your Snapchat chat list and prioritize new conversations by unpinning individuals or groups. Take control of your chat organization and stay connected with the people who matter most. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.